box has just arrived. Let's go do the unboxing. Here we have 2 spray heads for our disinfectants. Then we have baby masks from 2 to 6 years old, washable in washing machine. Then we have children masks from 7 to 15 years old, also washable in washing machine at 30 degrees. Then we have adult masks, also washable in washing machines. Then we have our catalogs, our price catalogs. Then we have 1 Egen Plus disinfectant for hands with 75% alcohol. We can use it to disinfect surfaces as well. Complete of Chic certificate and vegan. Fantastic product. 1 and 2.